Hi, this is Paul, Systems Engineering Director at Graphiant. Today, I want to take you through Graphiant's Site Health Dashboard, which is aimed at day two operational simplicity for our customers, partners, and service providers. Oftentimes operations teams receive thousands of alerts per hour, and it's really difficult to manage. Graphiant's Site Health Dashboard and alerting system is built on a rules-based real-time streaming engine that processes millions of events, and it takes in all of the logs, metrics, events that are happening on the network, and based on rules, it gives you consolidated, correlated, and actionable alerts to work on. Right. So, okay, let's drill into it. So what you see here is the site health dashboard for our network. You have 48 sites. Very quickly, you can see they're colored coded. Um, Healthy sites are green. Suboptimal sites, which things you may want to look at. Obviously, unhealthy sites you want to look at first because they'll show up as red. And then there's maintenance, which you can actually take devices out, put it into maintenance mode. So these you would know about. Um, Under the overview, it shows you all of the kind of through all of the planes. So we separate things into data planes, control planes, and system planes. So this is a quite an easy way to to kind of really shift through to see where your problems are. Are they on the data plane? Are they on the control plane or system plane? And drilling into specifically, you can also get more granular within the data plane, within a control plane, within a system plane to further drill down into specific areas of interest. But if we just look at a specific device, you can see right away without even clicking on it, you can see it's a system plane issue, right? So the system plane got an exclamation mark there. And if we drill into it, you can see that, okay, this is the site, the device, the interface, and it's telling you the issue is SFP interface. Optical signal strength is below threshold, and it's an SFP issue, and gives you the time and whether it's ongoing or not, and tells you what plane it is. So definitely, that's something you want to look at before interface goes down, for example. So that's right away you have something to work on. Let's look at another one. You can see this one has, similarly gives you all of the site information and, interface gigabit Ethernet 5. It's a LAN segment, right? You have interface down. Again, ongoing issue. So potentially something to look into. Why is this interface down? And by clicking here, you can go to the site directly. And by drilling into the edge, which is the device, you can see that there's a system plane issue. So what we can do is we can go to monitor of this device, and that brings up the um, interface summary, and we can look at interface number 5. Okay, so it's down. It's got IP address configured. Um, but we can look at the notes as well. In the description, it says, this is a test interface. It says leave unplugged. So because it's unplugged, that's why it's generating this alarm. But I know about it now, and and I really don't mind that that it is down. So what I can do is I can go back to the site health dashboard. I can look at the alarm again right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to disable this alarm. Okay, I know about this and confirm. So when I disable this alarm, it turns it green on the dashboard, or it will turn it green on dashboard in a second, and I don't have to worry about it, right? So there are these exceptions that you can make on this dashboard. So this gives you a quick visual way to focus on what you need to focus on. So let's come back to this. So let's go to another section called alarms. And under alarms, it's going to show you all of the things that are actionable right now. Um, as you can see, you have this VGP down. There's a reason for this, and this is a continuous alarm. So you also have a recommendation, right? Some have a flap WAN interface, some has a reboot. So this is something a operator can decide whether or not they want to do that. Um, so that's all based on the rules engine. You also have recovered alarms. Recovered alarms are those alarms that have already recovered, so they won't show up on the dashboard because they have already recovered. So the interface went down, now it came up. So that's a self recovery. So the alarm cancels out. But here, this is where you can see it. If you go to rules, you can see how the rules are set up. So you can see, system, if a CPU consistently near capacity, so CPU is over 80% for the last 5 minutes, the alarm gets set. If it's below 80% for over 5 minutes, the alarm gets cleared. So there's a self-clearing for these alarms. There's a priority, and all of these alarms have these rules, and these rules are tunable, obviously. And again, we're continuing to add these rules. Obviously, eventually, customers will be able to add their own rules as well. For their specific environments. Currently, you can request rules to be added, so we will add it for you. But that's very, very flexible. Okay, so let's go back to the site health dashboard and do a quick refresh. And you can see that the alarm here for the interface down has been cleared. So, but you can also re-enable this to if you want to see that alarm there again for some reason. Okay. All right, that's it for this quick demo. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.